Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Flow for workflow strategy step by step clearly. To log into Shopify Flow for your workflow strategy, start by navigating to the Shopify website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Login button. You'll be directed to a new page where you need to enter your store URL. Your store URL is the unique name you chose when setting up your Shopify account. Type your store URL into the designated field. Next, click on the Next button to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. Input your email address into the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Next button again. Now, enter your password in the appropriate field. Ensure that your password is accurate to avoid login issues. Once you've typed your password, click on the Login button. If you have enabled two-step authentication, follow the instructions to verify your identity. After successful login, you will be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, find and select Shopify Flow from the list of installed apps. This action will lead you into the Shopify Flow interface. Now you're ready to start creating workflows for your business strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.